Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can connect Asana Calendar with Google Calendar. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and let's begin. To access the Asana homepage, search for Asana on your preferred web browser and click on the search title name Manage Your Team's Work, Projects and Tasks Online. If your homepage doesn't appear, you may need to either log in or create an account on the Asana website. Once you are on the home page, click on the Tasks option located in the left panel. This will open up My Tasks window. By clicking on the drop-down arrow and next to My Tasks, you will see an option called Sync to Calendar. Clicking on this option will display a pop-up window with the URL under the Google Calendar section. You just have to copy this URL. Now search for Google Calendar and locate the Other Calendars option at the bottom left. Right-click on this option will give you the choice to select from the URL. Click on From URL and paste the URL you just copied. Finally, click on Add Calendar to import your calendar into your Google Workspace. And that's how you can connect Asana with your Google Calendar. So that's all for today's video, guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.